Greetings everyone, happy Sunday! And so today in this video, I'm going to show you that I'm going to give this lip oil, the Your Charmed lip oil to Giselle. Here you go, there's Giselle, hi! Okay, so here's Your Charm from Your Amazing. It's a Your Amazing product. She's gonna do unboxing or unpackaging.
One more time.
Unboxing. Unwrapping. See, it's not just me. And then you're gonna apply it right now. So, ayan na. Okay, we're back. Okay.
Yeah,
So what were you saying?
It looks like the Dior oil. I'm gonna try.
So it's kind of hard. You're welcome. So it's kind of hard to pull it up. So use two
Virgin
hands.
pa siya.
Virgin pa siya. So it's clear, but when you apply it on, it's magic.
Magic na ba?
Teka lang. So, wala pang 1 second. 1 second. Ano naman? Sige pa. Tingin nga. Ayan na. Ayan na.
Magic mo?
Magic Mother.
Does it have color now?
Yeah.
Baka naman super pink ah.
Not
May
yet.
ganyan ako.
Ano?
Binili ko sa Amazon yung ginaganon. Pero
So that's it?
That's
And then we'll
it.
see after I eat if
Hindi
it
oil.
sticks.
Yeah, if it stays
Naiiba ng kulay.
for a while. Because it's supposed to stay for a while. Ay, ang cute nila. Oh. Oh my gosh, I used to have that camera.
Ano?
Yung point and shoot. Canon ba yun o Sony?
Ba yun?
Oo.
Eh, parang gusto ko yan.
I think I need to go back to that. Kesa yung camera phone. Point and shoot. Okay, so let me see your lips.
Ganda. Magkano yan? 25? 15?
2 for 25 or $15 each. Order na. Mother, order ka na din.
Magkano ang friends discount?
2 for
Ang
25.
dealer's price. Paano kung gusto ko
Eh, kung
mag-resell?
dalawa tayo
Oh,
dito,
sige,
di
sige.
ba?
Oo. Tayo pag-usapan natin yan. Off camera. You are, yeah, from You Are Amazing. It's a You Are Amazing product.
Products.
Yes. There you go.
Message me.
Masipag yan. Talaga.
Ilan taon na siya?
No. Okay.
But we can eat it.
And here I am with Angel. Angel, you should put lip
Ano na
oil.
ako ha? Product ambassador na ako.
Oh, lagyan
Kanina nga nakasabi ni...
lagyan mo.
Sabi ni Victoria,
Palagyan natin siya ng
nag-lipstick
lip
ka ba?
oil.
Sabi sa akin.
Lagyan mo sa kamay.
Ganun lang.
Ayan, okay, magta-try si Angel. Oo.
Lagyan sa kamay mo.
Oo, yung kamay,
Si
yung
Mother
finger mo
naiingat.
magiging
Si Mother
ha?
daw, si Mother.
Yung finger mo
Meron
magiging
kasi Mother
pink.
daw gusto.
Okay.
Ayan,
Naku,
pink na nga agad
Ala,
eh.
mas pipink yan. Ang dami mong in-apply.
Ay, konti lang yun.
Hindi, I mean, may tint na. Mas maganda yun.
Kay Nancy
Let me
ako,
see your
yung
finger.
Vietnamese.
I know, pero yung pumutin ka
Little pink.
Yung last...
Ayan.
Friday.
Oo.
Yes, siya yun. Pangalan niya Nancy.
Vietnamese.
Yes.
Talaga gumawa ng
Anyway.
Niya yun yung pumunta.
Yan
Anong meron?
your charm. Ito, kukunin ko yung akin.
Nag-raffle siya. Ng mga discount.
Gusto ko na. Swerte mo sa raffle yan.
Oo, nanalo.
Ito
Microblading
siya.
meron siya.
Hindi na siya gumagawa, no?
Your charm.
Pero yung
Lashes.
ibang strokes na, microblading
So,
na
bilhin
kasi
na kayo.
nag-star.
Ako hindi nag-discard ito.
It's a product by You Are
Kaso
Amazing.
meron ako, marami na talaga akong buhok.
Nawawala yung buhok after microblading.
Ayan. Let me see.
Pero thready.
Nagaganon din siya.
You are